Hello to all StockClear buyers. I'm delighted to welcome you today in our warehouse here in northern France to present a new lot from the Fnac vendor. So Fnac, which you're certainly starting to know well, the Fnac Darty Group. Here we have a quality Fnac lot, HS, meaning non-functional products that have been classified. So I'll just repeat for those who might not be familiar. Fnac clearly categorizes its non-functional products into two very distinct batches. HS products, meaning simply non-functional because they're out of service, and then broken products. So in this case, we're dealing with a batch of HS products, which means the items are normally not broken, they are simply defective. For example, this is the case here. We've opened one pallet, actually two, to show you. So you'll find the more classic pallets, let's say, with multimedia, high-tech, small appliances, and then the TV pallets. Here, for example, it's also the case. We've opened another TV pallet that's of the same quality, HS quality. So you'll find all of this within a single lot, which is Fnac's non-functional lot. Here, for example, on this pallet, you're going to find various products, quite a few printers on this very pallet. And then also we can also have some small home appliance products. So it's not the general rule, or rather it's not the majority, pardon me, of the lot, since it's mostly high-tech products. But you can have small household appliances such as this mini oven. You also have quite a few printers. You can have products here, look, rather high-tech products. Here, let's imagine a JVC player, a player for record players, or rather for discs. And then also here, it's the same JVC. You also have some gaming products. So here, for example, you have a monitor, a screen. Everything's very well taped, so I won't be able to get it out for you. You'll have a gaming monitor right here, an AOC gaming monitor, just right here, which you can obviously find within the listing. As always, make sure to check the listing because you'll have the complete list of all the products inside the lot, well detailed. And here, in this lot, you'll also find TVs, several TVs. And this pallet here is a dedicated pallet of defective Samsung TVs. So you see, they all still have their original boxes on their original packaging. It's not necessarily the case, but for the vast majority, products have their original packaging. And then there you go. So these are TVs simply declared out of service, tested by Fnac, and then directed to the HS stream. This is not the broken stream, but truly an out-of-service stream. So look carefully inside the lots. It's always specified in the description as well. You might have non-functional broken or non-functional HS out of service. So this is a non-functional HS lot, meaning it's simply out of service. That's all for this lot. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have questions about the lot's quality, or how to bid, or how to get your shipping quote, for example. By the way, it's automatic, so please make sure to enter your delivery address correctly to get it. If you have any other questions, please contact us, and I'll see you very soon on StockClear, and I wish you happy bidding.